Obama, Obama coming through more than 10 years later, slowly gaining a handle. By the funny bone, in reverse, that Donald Trump, that LAPD, that is too bold, that is a weakness of not understanding who the president is anymore or who the law enforcement is anymore, to the laws of suction, that they are both lost their mind to a figurine attachment in the mind, lost their mind. For example, Donald J. Trump goes up to Barack Obama and tells him, "You are Looney Tunes." Barack Obama can say that Donald J. Trump has lost his mind to Looney Tunes. That is a children's program. That is it. If Trump pleads over and over, then Trump has lost his mind. For example, if another person shows up, like Joe Biden, and says, "Looney Tunes," he also has lost his mind. In the relation of those two people put together in front of you and correlating themselves in front of you, if you yourself correlate yourself to those two people in front of you, then you are a third moron. Well, I still hold the presidential position of no, shut the fuck up with some imbecile shit. Like those. Never minding my perfect example and exampling and wording.